Good day or good night and welcome to my kitchen. Let's prepare a delicious dish with all these vegetables. I have here 1 eggplant, 1 zucchini, 1 red pepper, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 tomato and 1 clove of garlic. Also we'll need some salt, pepper and some olive oil to fry. First step is to peel carrot, onion and garlic and wash all these vegetables. Now let's cut. First in slices like this. So these cubes are approximately ½ inch. Now let's slice zucchini. Add some olive oil and we add eggplant. Now we're gonna fry it on high heat. If you need some more olive oil, add some more. Now we turn on medium heat. So we fried 2 minutes on high heat and now we continue on medium. Approximately 4 minutes later, we add zucchini. Usually when I prepare this dish, I don't cut all vegetables before I begin frying. I cut first eggplant, begin frying, and then one by one I cut and add all vegetables. This way it will be faster. When you cut at the same time as you fry. So again, 4 minutes later, we add red pepper and we stir and fry again for 2 or 4 minutes. At the beginning, eggplant absorbs oil, but after it begins releasing it. Now I add garlic and onion. Now I turn for carrot. One, two, and the tip. So 2 pinches of salt and 1 pinch of pepper. No more spices. If you like, you can add spices of your choice. For me, this dish is perfect like this. So from the beginning, 12 minutes passed. Now we add tomato. All this time it was medium heat. Only at the beginning it was first 2 minutes on high and after it was always medium. But we have to stir constantly. So that's why it's sometimes difficult to cut and to store. But sometimes it's possible. I usually always do like this. I cut and I store. So you have to decide by yourself what is better for you, to cut before or to cut at the same time as you fry. So after I added tomato, 10 minutes passed. The last 5 minutes you can cover and simmer on very low heat. I just tried vegetables, they are well cooked, but if you like smoother version of this dish, you can simmer longer, it's up to your taste. So total it took us 22 minutes to fry all these vegetables. You can serve it as a side dish or as a main vegetarian dish. I hope you will like this recipe. Enjoy your meal.